Good afternoon everyone and welcome to Benidorm. Over here, this area of Spain has a huge power outage currently. The McDonald's down here is fully closed, nothing is on, nothing is working over here. Down there all the shops, all the lighting is out. All the bars are closed. And it seems like everyone is heading towards the beach because this is the only thing you can do right now over here in Benidorm. Walking around and enjoying the sunshine over here. But it is a very strange sight to see everything closed over here and empty. No one can order again, anything to drink, anything to eat, because nothing is working currently. So today in our video we'll be taking a tour to the Levante beach all the way until the end, see how it is going over there, and to see what all impacts this power outage. As far as we know, until now, it's just this part of Spain, but I'm gonna check the news in the meantime as well to see what is all going on and why it is. Might be some speculation in it, but we'll see how far we end up. Over here, Artigas, people finishing their meals and then probably got to pay in cash so they can leave. And else there's nothing up to it currently, because nothing is working down here. It's extremely quiet. Only hear people talking. There's zero wind. Got the green flag out today, so that is nice. 21 degrees as well. Nice for a walk. But you do want to hear usually music when you're going here. Got some more bars. Explaining they can't surf currently. Those people who just arrived are like, what in the hell happened over here? Well, you're happy if you got a drink right now, because then you have at least something. Who knows how long this will take. And also, let's hope all the hospitals that are back there up the hill, over there in back. Let's hope all those backup generators worked as planned, because that would be a nightmare if nothing functions over there. There we got the supermarket, Veracruz, completely closed off. And it's dark inside. Trying to keep their fridges closed, of course, so the products don't go to waste. But you don't know for how long you can hold that. All the bars are getting empty. Must be very quiet down the strip. We'll head there next, as long as it takes. So let's see. Chiringuita bar. People got a nice view. If they have a drink, they're staying. And also, if you want to see more of Benidorm in total actually, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and it greatly helps me getting more subscribers as well, getting more promotion. Don't forget to give a like if you like this video, as it greatly promotes it. Thank you. Back to showing you the place, how it is. There we got the Bulldog. It's fully packed over there, people still having drinks. But everything is out, no music, no lighting, dark inside everywhere. Such a strange sight. Thankfully it's very light out here today, not hardly any clouds, so they light up most places enough to still get the guests happy. So strange walking over here, everything in the dark. Some shops are still open and some decide to close. Let's head on further on. There's Tiki Beach. Gonna see over there, usually it's one big party over there. But right now, without the music, there it is. Oh man, there are some people still having drinks. But no music at all. It's quiet down here. Nothing to hear, but still everyone's having a good time, so that's a good thing. Let's go on, have a look back there, how it is on the roads while traffic lights aren't working, how much of a chaos that would be over here. Very eerie seeing this. Hardly anyone, anything to hear. And very quiet as well, without all those people. Traffic lights aren't working. So now you just gotta pay very good attention if you want to crow across the road. Thankfully people stopping nicely, paying extra attention due to the situation right now. But man, nothing is working. Silence it is. Let's take a quick tour of the strip while we're here. There we are, got the Red Lion, the Brit station. And we just got on the news, got the word out that complete Spain is without power currently. And also parts of Portugal. But the whole country, man, that is big. This is a huge power outage. This is world news. While in the distance we hear ambulances going out from everywhere. Over here the La Marina apparently has its own power generator to keep the music at the pool going. Let's go and have a quick look. As this currently is the only place probably in Spain that decides to keep the party going. But there's hardly anyone here. Very strange they decide to keep everything just running instead of saving the power, because you don't know how long this will take. Of course they're trying to do everything about it to fix it, but who knows how long this power outage will take and what is actually going on. Why the whole country is down. Also, strange sight over here. Planet Benidorm is completely empty, they can't do anything without working power, but over here at Andes, this place is packed, man. Loads of people in. Let's go on, have a quick look further on. Over here, tobacco is closing. They can't do anything without power, probably. And we're hearing people talking right now. Also, France is impacted. But of course, once this video comes out, I've got Wi-Fi again. Because also the phone network is quite bad right now. So uploading the video in the meantime won't work. And then we all know what happened. As currently it's just all speculation and a few news articles. I got jumping jacks. Completely packed this place as well. It is still going on over here. Probably only cash. As we still see people walking with beers. So in a case like this, it's good to have some cash with you. And the Rockstar bar. Also still going on. Well, they have closed the indoor area back there, but no one wants to sit there currently. Let's head on to the Avenida Europa, the big street over here in Benidorm. See how that one is impacted. There we are, Avenida Europa, the big street through Benidorm. Cars everywhere. Just going because these things don't work. Thankfully everyone's paying a bit more attention to everything. See how it goes now over here. They're stopping if someone wants to cross the road, so should be fine, this part of it, but this isn't the worst. And there in the back, the first fire truck is coming. Oh man, let's hope it isn't something bad over here, because it has been quite dry last few days. Let's see where it's heading towards. Going towards the left, the Rincon area it is. We are currently heading back towards Levante Beach. See how it is over there. And it's still very quiet out everywhere. And what would you think? Yeah, like the whole Spain and parts of Portugal and also probably France now as well are also out of power. And over there on the right we got the first few big bars like Daytona and the Jolly Roger over here. Let's see how those are doing without anything actually. Also in the back there now, there's a fire truck coming this way. Who knows what is going on back there? Daytona, everything is still going with gas then, and someone got a small speaker to put up for music over there. But next door, closed. And the Jolly Roger is still available. Let's not call it open. Let's just call it available. Or so you can still get something to drink if you pay with cash, of course. Nothing works. There is the fire truck, the bomberos. Probably someone stuck in an elevator which you currently can't reach, so they have to help then. Down here, the heartbreak, no power. Still some people in. Got the White Lion next door, it's just the same case. Seems like most of them decide to stay open and do cash only. Let's go take a quick tour through Old Town. See how that part of Benidorm is impacted now by it. And over here, Street Performers did a good thing by charging up their gear to keep the show going on.
Vamos adelante. Georg, where are you from? Liverpool, Messenger from Liverpool. Spain and Liverpool. Okay, people, this is the real final. Valencia.
Well, at least the street was clear because they were here, and they also made it easy accessible for the ambulance. And a good thing, they keep the people entertained as well. But it is getting busy now everywhere. Over there I got an ambulance, on the right here another fire truck. Seems like all those responders are very busy currently with doing everything they need to do to save people from elevators that are stuck, and many more problems which occur when there isn't any power. Because most buildings in Benidorm, or actually the whole of Spain, don't have any backup generator or anything. Over here we can see the lifeguards doing their part of the first aid duty. You can see the beach is still very busy as well. And in Old Town over here, it's the same thing. Most terraces are full and dark inside. We only hear people talking, that's the only thing we hear. Usually it's music, lights everywhere. But now it's all closed. Over here on the right. And the people who have a drink are zipping on it. As apparently over here no one is able to order anything else. The ice cream shop sells his final ice creams before they all melt. We are gonna leave Old Town for what it is from here on. Gonna head back this side, Plaza Triangular. And see over there, as most terraces are still quite full, and yeah, except for the music, there's nothing going on currently. And over here, Plaza Triangular, Starbucks is closed. No service at all. Nothing, quiet, empty. McDonald's back there is closed as well. Yes, and that is the reality until they fix this finally. So, as of now, we don't have any other news to tell. Let's wait until the government fixes things with the power network and everything works again. In the meantime, I really hope you did like this video. Don't forget to give it a like, as it greatly helps my channel. Don't forget to do subscribe, and let's hope for the best. And the next time you see a video of Benidorm, it's with power again.